What's the biggest mistake you've made in this business, if you care to share?
Yeah. Okay, so, yeah, I got a good story for this one. So, uh, 2019, um, residential pickup and delivery was, starting to be the hot item, right? And so we were like, let's create a whole separate business for our residential pickup and delivery. Create another name for it. Let's build our own custom app. Um, and so we started working with developers. We're throwing money at this thing. Um, we get it up and running, and COVID hits a month after
Right.
we
Oh,
we released the
yeah.
business, and um, it was bad timing.
Right.
We were gaining customers, but not at the rate where we looked at the P&Ls and we're like, we can't, we got to shut this down. Like, we got to figure out a different way to do this.
Right.
And so, we probably put 100 grand into that endeavor and the app and completely shut it down. And now we do all of our pickup and delivery through the laundry spot. We don't have a separate app. We use curbside.
Mhm.
Um,
Mhm.
so I think that was
Mhm.
something we got very excited about and realized like, this is not viable, and we had to pull the plug.
Well, and again, a lot of it is through no fault of your own. It's some of it was the timing. Although, however,
Yeah.
I would think that as COVID hit, you would think the residential pickup and delivery that's rising at that point. So,
Well, it didn't at the beginning.
yeah,
Everybody was scared to even let someone else touch their stuff.
right,
And so, as COVID went on, I think you're exactly right. I think that started to help the business.
right,
But those first 6 months, right when
right,
COVID started, people are like, I don't want you
yeah,
near my house. I don't want you touching my clothes. Like, we
right,
had
right.
no
I'm
idea how it transferred, or people thought it could live on clothing for a week, right?
right. I'm
Like,
cleaning off my mail. I'm cleaning off every doorknob that I touch. Right, right.
yeah. So
Absolutely.
I think that's what killed us.
Yeah.
But again, we do offer residential pickup and
Mhm,
delivery, and that's a
mhm,
growing piece of our
mhm,
business as well. But that
mhm,
was
mhm.
probably the biggest mistake so far. It's a learning, every
Right.
mistake is a chance at learning. So
Right, as
we
long as you
we
learn
learned
from it, yeah, right, happy accident, I guess.
exactly,
Um,
exactly.